This little cottage in Donegal sat empty for more than 25 years, but it was never truly forgotten. Hidden in the countryside of Donegal, Ireland, sits a small cottage that had been empty for more than 2 decades, a place that was once full of family life. It was the home of the matriarch of John's family, his granny, where generations gathered and where so many memories began. There's something about this part of Ireland that gently slows life down. The wild Atlantic, quiet country roads, green farmland stretching towards the sea. This is Donegal. For years, the little cottage stood quietly weathered by wind and rain, holding the memories of the family life that once filled its rooms. Sometimes in life, you don't start something new. Sometimes life gently leads you back to where you truly belong. For John, that place has always been Donegal, Ireland. A proud Irishman, a builder, a hard-working man who knows how to turn tools, timber and stone into something lasting. But for him, Donegal has always been more than just a place. It's home. The rolling farmland, the wild Atlantic coastline, the quiet countryside where neighbours become friends and the sea is never far away. And for me, Donegal captured my heart too. After years of creating furniture, gifts and home decor, loving the countryside and the sea, this place became the first place that truly felt like home to me as well. At the heart of it all stands an old family cottage, John's granny's cottage, a place filled with memories, a place that had stood quietly waiting for life to return. So together we're slowly bringing it back to life, room by room, wall by wall, learning as we go. Some days it's hard work, some days it's muddy boots, dust and long lists of things still to fix. But other days we pause for a moment, look out across the fields and see and remember exactly why we chose this life. A slower life, a simpler life, a life closer to the land, the countryside and the ocean. And somehow along the way, this little cottage has become more than just a renovation. It's becoming home. We're building a home and a future here in this beautiful corner of Ireland. And we're so grateful that so many of you are enjoying the journey with us. Thank you for being here and sharing it with us. And we always love hearing from you. Have you ever visited Donegal? If you'd like to watch more of our videos, please like, share and comment to grow and build our channel as we are growing and building our home.